Thank you for joining us. This is the follow-up video for our Masergy Intelligent and Service Control video that we filmed previously. Masergy has recently released a new version of their ISC that we wanted to briefly take a look at and just go over the changes that they've made. So right here I have the updated dashboard. This is the screen that you see when you initially log into the system. As you can see, there are a great number of changes from the previous version. Instead of just having your tickets overview and the Masergy news, you now have a larger number of features at your disposal, such as these two graphs at the bottom, the usage trends and the peak usage. This front page is also fully configurable. I'm going to quickly walk through the creation of a new dashboard and what you can actually do with it. So this is going to be our sample dashboard. And as you can see, it starts off with a blank screen, but you can go to the top right corner here to add widgets, and these are all of the options at this time that you can add to your own personal dashboard. So I will add the tickets overview, the clouds, and security threats. And when you add each of these widgets, they are all put in at the same size, but you can change that with simple drag and drop controls. So let's say I want to make this tall, this one wide, and this one both. You can see that it easily snaps to each square presented to make simple, configurable dashboards. One other thing to note here, whichever dashboard that you have selected, anytime you return to your dashboards, that will continue to stay selected. It will not revert back to the system default or to any of the other ones. It will remember what you used last. The other most significant change to the Masergy ISC is their updates to their network analytics tool. Previously, you could only see this standard network analyst. By default, it shows you application usage over the past hour. That can be expanded by configuring your own date or time range, whether it's the last 15 minutes, up through the last 30 days, or anything in between. Some new features they've added to this is the peak usage section of the network analyst, which shows you day-by-day values of the peak usage within the past 30 days. Like the network analyst, it can be configured to anywhere from the last 15 minutes to the last 30 days, as well as a custom range. Inbound drops and outbound drops by this darkened gray bar. The last new feature they've added is the usage trends. This brings you the graph here, which shows, similar to the peak usage graph, your peak outbound usage on a day-by-day basis, as well as average usage on a day-by-day basis, average peaks with this gray line over a 10-day average, and this purple section is a 30-day average. That was our look into Masergy's Intelligent Service Control. If you have questions or want further information on Masergy's ISC or anything telecom related, visit our website at www.ramcominc.com or visit our YouTube page or give us a call.